Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, Cottage Edition. Today we got some repairs to do to the dock. So, you know, it happens in the fall and the spring when the water rises and lowers. It tends to releases the tension on the dock a bit sometimes, and sometimes the pieces that support the dock end up floating out and floating away. So that happened last fall. So now it's springtime and we see that it needs to be repaired. So I'm gonna go get set up and we'll get right into it. Alright, so as you can see, we got a pretty big gap under here, even over there in the back. So what I'm going to do is, we got this jack here, 20-ton jack. These are very handy to have around the cottage or any kind of camp. And what we'll do is we're going to jack up the dock, and then we'll slide the pieces in, and then we'll lower it down, and hopefully we'll get it to level off with enough pieces of wood. So, alright, so we'll get into that. Okay, so we finished up that little part. It was a fun time because you see all the mud. We're all getting stuck in here, so we've adjusted it, and it's probably gonna, when the water does raise back up, some pieces might still adjust. We're still gonna have to adjust it because there's frost in the ground and it's heaving. So we just wanted to get this main thing done because, as you can see, this was really drooping, and it, you know, there was this gap here. But now at least it's level, it's solid. Doesn't seem like it's gonna move. But again, we'll have to make small adjustments as it goes on. All right, so that's it for this episode. Thank you for joining me. Not much to learn from what I'm doing here. It's just watching me do work. That's about it. So again, hope you enjoyed the episode. Have a good week. Take care of each other. Be kind to one another. Peace out.